Hello guys, I'm back with another exciting video which is I think the most important video for so many people. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make a document file into a PDF file. So for that, so if you as you can see that in my desktop that I have a file called file.docx, my docs. So I'm gonna make it PDF. So if I open this in my Microsoft Office, as you can see, say that it is a one page file. I'm gonna make it PDF. So you can make it in two way. So I will show the two ways as well. So the first way possible is go to the file option, then click on save as. Okay, then desktop. Okay, here while saving you have to be very clever. So if you can see that the word document docx that it is saving in docs file. So I don't want it, I want to make it PDF. So click on PDF. Okay, then save. Okay, as you can see that my file is now PDF. So as you can see that there is the file, there is PDF. So my file has been turned into PDF. So if I open this, as you can see, it is now opened in PDF file. So there is another option uh, where you can convert a file into the PDF file. So which is, so right here, Word to PDF. Okay, Word to PDFs, and then you can see their website called smallpdf.com. Okay, then choose file, click on here, then go to desktop. As you can see, here is my docs file. Okay, I uploaded this one. Okay, it is converting into a PDF file now. Okay, it has converted into a PDF file. Now download this. Yeah, as you can show in folder, as you can see that my folder has been turned into PDF file. If I open this, that as you can see that it has made it to a PDF file. So I hope this will help you a lot. So thanks for watching.